The education system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you obedient, a worker, a cog in the machine. Think about it. You spend years in school memorizing facts, passing tests, but did they ever teach you how to make money? Did they ever teach you how to start a business? How to invest? How to build wealth? No, because the system was built to keep you stuck. In this video, I'll expose how the education system is programming you to be a financial slave. School isn't about education, it's about indoctrination. It was designed during the Industrial Revolution, not to create successful individuals, but to create workers. Factories needed employees who would show up on time, follow orders without question, work 40 hours a week without complaining. And that's exactly what schools train you to do. You sit in rows, you raise your hand for permission, the bell rings, you move to the next class, just like a factory worker. They don't teach you financial freedom, because if they did, who would work their jobs? Here's how the money matrix traps you. You're told to study hard and get good grades. You take on massive student debt for a degree. You graduate and get a 9-to-5 job. You work your whole life just to pay off debts and bills. You retire when you're too old to enjoy life. Meanwhile, the rich don't follow this system. They don't trade time for money. They own businesses. They invest. They create multiple streams of income. And that's why 1% of people control 99% of the wealth. The system is rigged. If you want out, you need to reprogram your mind. Here's how. Stop relying on school for financial education. Learn from books, courses, mentors. Develop high-income skills, coding, sales, marketing, investing. Create assets. Start a business. Invest in stocks. Build passive income streams. Question everything you were taught about success. The rich don't follow school rules. They make their own. This is how you unplug from the money matrix. We are living in an era where escaping the matrix is easier than ever. Why? Because of AI and social media. For the first time in history, you don't need a college degree or a 9-to-5 job to make money. You can make thousands of dollars by leveraging artificial intelligence in digital platforms. YouTube automation. Let AI generate videos, edit content, and grow a channel that makes passive income. Full-time content creation. You don't need to be famous. Just create content around what you love, and social media will help you monetize it. Freelancing with AI. Use AI tools for copywriting, graphic design, and even coding. Get paid without spending years learning the skills. Selling digital products. Create ebooks, courses, templates. Sell once and earn forever. AI is replacing jobs, but if you use AI wisely, you can replace your boss instead. Don't be the worker, be the creator. This is how you truly escape the money matrix. Now you have a choice: stay inside the system, work for 40 years, retire broke, or escape the matrix. Take control of your financial future. The decision is yours.